Hey guys, today we're in Hoian, one of the most beautiful cities in Vietnam. We're going to spend here 2 days and see if one weekend is enough to check all the top places and activities here. Right now we're in Coconut Village in the mangrove forest. Here you can take a scenic ride in one of the traditional Vietnamese basket boats.
The round boats are called coracles. Their origin is unclear, but many believe they were invented during the French colonial era. The story goes that when the French taxed boats in Vietnam, fishermen couldn't afford to pay, so they made circular baskets that worked as boats. These basket boats quickly became popular along the coast because they were tax-free and actually very well designed. Coracles are still used today, not just for tourism. Taking a ride in one of them gives you an authentic Vietnamese experience.
Today it's a very hot day, so we decided to leave the city and go to An Bang Beach.
Looks like it's perfect place to relax, to enjoy a sunny day and swim. Carol, what's happening here?
After the beach, we decided to drive around and we got to those beautiful rice fields. We saw some people working, so we waved to them and they waved back. So I guess we can fly the drone and take some photos of them. And let's see how those rice fields look from the air.
Let's see.
Vietnamese cuisine always combines fragrance, taste and color. It always features 5 elements that balance these qualities, enhancing both aesthetics and health. This balance makes Vietnamese food one of the healthiest cuisines in the world.
After this awesome meal, we will go now for a walk through the old city of Hoian. To be honest, I think walking around the city is the coolest thing to do in Hoian. We came here yesterday in the evening, today in the morning, and now we're here back again. This place just doesn't get boring at all.
Actually, for the old town you need tickets. No one is going to ask you for them, but if you want to visit all the top attractions, you need tickets. We just got ours and we're heading to the traditional Vietnamese show.
So we had a taste of Vietnamese art and now we're heading back to explore the old town. Do you feel like the walls are getting closer and closer?
Yes.
We're still at the old town. We stopped for a coffee on a rooftop cafe. Coffee is great. The views are beautiful. We will stay here for a while. Seems like Hoian can get very busy in the evening.
The best way to end your day in Hoian is to come to the old town and enjoy the evening boat show. You can take the ride or you can enjoy the view from the promenade.
Street photography in Hoian ended to be way different than we expected it to be. When today we head out to the old town at sunrise to photograph the streets, and we barely saw anyone over there in the morning. It seems like all of those traditional buildings are now shops, restaurants and cafes, and the locals don't have too many reasons to come to the old town other than sell to the tourists.
The trip to Vietnam will be incomplete without visiting Hoian. It's such a beautiful, vibrant city with its own unique vibe, but it's also a very popular place, so it can get very busy. The old town felt too commercialized for us, but it's still definitely worth visiting. We think that 2 days is completely enough for Hoian.